friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to share about my day outing. I went to one resort which is RD Nature Retreat present in Banerghatta road. The distance from the resort is 12 km from the nearby city area which is Banerghatta. And the price of the resort is quite negotiable. If you are booking tickets below 15 members, then the price is $1000 per head, and above 15 members there is a discount of 10%. As the name itself is RD Nature, you can see full of nature and greenery all around. I have filmed few clips so that you guys will be more attracted to visit this place. Video is really going to be interesting, so guys, please watch full video without skipping it. Thank you. We reached the resort around 10 o'clock in the morning, and after collecting our day pass we directly headed for the breakfast. Here the breakfast was really tasty. You guys will really enjoy it. There is limited item but the taste is really awesome. As I went in an office trip, so there was some team building activity was performed for us. So you can enjoy it.
You got a good start, Maheshpati.
In one ticket 10 free passes you will get, so that you can play whichever games you want. You will get many options to play over there, and as per your choices you can use your passes. Whichever games I played I have included in this video, so please watch it guys.
बंजी जंपिंग और करो और करो बंजी जंपिंग.
remember